Grab your plastic trim tool, wedge that in here. This will pop off. Go ahead and remove the Phillips screw. And there's one right in here. Now we've got those two screws removed. Here, take a flathead or a plastic trim tool. Remove that Phillips screw. Then there's a little tab on this side. Pop off this little cover. It's just a little clip right here holding it in. I like to start from the bottom of the door. Once you have the door card like that, you should be able to lift off. One thing we forgot to remove is the window switch. So you can kind of pop that up with your trim tool. And here on the bottom, push down on the pin, unplug that. This whole thing will lift off now. As you can see, this speaker is completely blown. And I have another video on my channel for a Scion XP that's the exact same process as replacing the speakers here. And here's the OEM tweeter that's seen some better days.